The 2025 Bentley Continental GT has arrived, marking a bold new chapter in the world of luxury grand touring. The legendary W12 engine is gone, replaced by a cutting-edge plug-in hybrid V8 that produces a staggering 771 horsepower. This shift signals a new era for Bentley, blending extreme performance with advanced hybrid technology. But does it live up to its legendary reputation? Let's find out. Bentley has masterfully updated the Continental GT's exterior while preserving its timeless silhouette. The signature front grille is now larger and more aggressive, complemented by crystal-cut headlights that add a futuristic touch. At the rear, sleek teardrop-shaped taillights modernize the design, while refined aerodynamics enhance both efficiency and speed. It strikes the perfect balance between classic elegance and modern innovation. Bentley has retired its iconic W12 engine, but the new powertrain is nothing short of extraordinary. The 2025 Continental GT now features a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 plug-in hybrid, delivering an astonishing 771 horsepower and 738 lb-ft of torque. This allows the car to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds, making it the fastest Continental GT ever. The hybrid system includes a 21.8 kilowatt-hour battery, providing up to 50 miles of electric-only driving. The new active chassis system ensures unparalleled stability, making this grand tourer both a powerhouse and a refined cruiser. Bentley has always been synonymous with craftsmanship, and the 2025 Continental GT takes it to new heights. The cabin is wrapped in the finest quilted leather, with 20-way adjustable seats featuring massage functions for ultimate comfort. The dashboard showcases a fully digital gauge cluster with stunning new graphics, while Bentley's signature rotating display offers three options: a high-tech touchscreen, classic analog dials, or a seamless wood veneer panel. The level of customization is endless, with over 4 million interior combinations available. And for those who love open-air driving, the convertible version allows the roof to retract in just 19 seconds. The 2025 Continental GT isn't just about straight-line speed, it's designed for the ultimate driving experience. The adaptive air suspension provides a silky smooth ride, while the advanced torque vectoring system enhances cornering precision. Multiple driving modes allow for a tailored experience, whether you prefer silent electric cruising or unleashing the full power of the V8 hybrid. It's the perfect fusion of comfort and performance, making long-distance touring both effortless and thrilling. The base model is expected to start at around $306,000, while high-end Mulliner versions could exceed $363,000. This is the most powerful Continental GT ever, but does it live up to its legacy? With more power, better efficiency, and unmatched luxury, Bentley has crafted a grand tourer that feels both futuristic and true to its heritage. What are your thoughts or suggestions to make it super innovative? Comment below.